welcome back to video 2, food dye and GMO. So what we are going to be talking about today is what's in food dye.
Didn't really talk about that.
No, we talked about what's in GMO.
What's in food dye?
Well, where you? Let's see. Some food dye places are gas stations. They have Slurpees.
Slurpees aren't good for you.
Slurpees have very, very much food dye. Food dye can make you stressed. When kids have food dye, they just want it over and over again, and it makes them mad.
We understand it's addicting, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, so it's like once the kids have it once, they have to have it like all the time because they love it so much because it's so addicting.
Okay, let's get on to the fun part of this video.
Okay. Go ahead, start it off.
Petroleum is in food dye as well.
Ew. Ew. I can't even think about it.
I know, it's so gross. Trust me.
So anyway, petroleum is, like we talked about, gas from a car. But how does it get in food dye? How do they get petroleum? Well, the gas station, they actually have to put the gas in the machines, right? Well, they use the gas that hasn't been in the machines yet and so we just want to talk a little bit about petroleum. First, I want one more fact about food dye. In her class, no homeschool, but when she was in class, they went to a field trip and they went to...
Can I say this, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So, our class went on a field trip to Sprouts. We had this tour, and as we were walking, there were these food dye gummy bears in this barrel. Now, you might have had these before. Raise your hand if you have. 1, 2... Okay, a lot of you. A lot of you. Luckily, I don't think I've ever had any food dye in my life. Are you?
What kind of gummy bears were they?
What do you mean, what kind?
Like what package?
It wasn't in a package.
Was it
It was
Forest?
in a barrel.
Oh.
So I'm not 100% sure.
What's in those gummy bears is probably petroleum. Of course, food dye.
No,
But you can get non-food dye gummy bears and gummy worms.
Of course. If you want to go on this thing with us, you can still have gummy bears, but they'll just have no food dye in them.
And they taste way better.
And they're more colorful too.
Yeah, they're a little bit more colorful. But they're made out of natural fruit, so that's not food dye. So now you know that food dye is not natural fruit, because that is definitely not true. I know some people, and they said, oh my gosh, food dye is natural fruit. And that is not true. I would not tell them that though, because I would be kind of telling the grown-up off, which that is not nice. And so I just hope those people watch this video too, to learn, maybe. And so, anyway, just don't eat food dye.
Go with the flow and stay healthy as you can.
Thank you for coming and watching this video.
Bye!
Video 3 will be soon.